A terrible storm had come to the little railway. When it was over, the engines soon found themselves very busy clearing away the debris. One day, Peter, Sam, and Rusty were busy working together doing such a job. Peter Sam wasn't happy.
This train is heavy. I need a drink.
Rusty felt sorry for his friend, so he pushed him to the water tower. Peter Sam felt much better after his long drink, but the freight cars soon grew bored. This is so boring. You know, we could always break away. Their couplings were old and rusty. One broke with a loud snap. Hurrah! Hurrah! Stop! Stop! Help!
Cora, come back!
Faster! Faster! A sign read, slow, steep ends and ravine ahead, but the silly cars never saw it. Then, it was too late.
Are you alright, Cora?
Never better.
Don't worry, I'll find a crane to get you out.
The thin controller was most annoyed when he heard the news. You shall work in the yards until I can trust you with trucks. That is all. Duncan was delighted with Peter Sam's misfortune. Oh, fancy not securing your freight cars on a hill. They'll come back to spook you, and your special funnel. Ooh, I beg your pardon?
And who's to say you're not afraid of ghosts?
Ghosts? Things that go bump in the night? Rubbish.
Well, here's a story that will make your funnel quiver. A long time ago, a little engine worked at the quarry. One misty moonlit night, he was returning home. Suddenly, the engine lost control and plunged over the side into the swamp below. He was never found again, but many workmen will tell you that when the moon is full, you can see the little engine trying to get home, but he never reaches the other side. So what do you think about that, Duncan?
Rubbish.
Imagine, not believing in ghosts.
Never mind, Peter Sam. I'm sure he'd be frightened if he really saw one.
I've got it. We'll play a trick on him. The next day, he spoke to Duncan's driver, who agreed.
I'll do it tonight.
Duncan had to take some empty cars to the slate quarry, and then bring cars back. His driver decided to cross the old iron bridge as part of the plan. Haunted bridge? Rubbish. It's as tame as a pet rabbit. But all the same, he kept thinking about Rusty's story. When dusk fell, he was keen to leave. If we didn't go now, Scarlori may take my favourite place in the sheds.
Well, we'll have to collect our cars first, old boy. Shouldn't take too long.
He could see the plan was working as Duncan was nervous. When night fell, they set off. The mists were rising around the old iron bridge. As they approached, Duncan listened. The sound echoed everywhere. Suddenly, Duncan noticed some flickering lights up ahead. His driver knew they were only insects that shined brightly at night, but to Duncan, they looked like an engine.
What in the bloody world is that? No, I must be seeing things.
Then Duncan's driver threw a rock from the cab into the ravine below.
No, it cannot be. Rusty was right. It's the ghost. Take me back. Take me back, please.
When Duncan reached the safety of his shed, he closed his eyes tightly.
Spooked, are you, Duncan?
No, I'm asleep.
And Duncan refused to open his eyes. He did, though, when he thought his driver wasn't looking, just to make sure that he was still there.
I must say, you've really outdone yourself over these last few years. You have quite the knack for this sort of work. I am proud of you.
Just doing my job is all, sir.
As a reward, when you return from this trip, we'll mend all of your worn parts and give you a new coat of paint.
Oh, bless you, sir. Thank you very much.
Take care on your way back. The mist may be thicker than usual tonight.
Not to worry. I'll be careful.